Hi everyone, Mark here again. Welcome back to our virtual showroom. This is a 2017 Hyundai Elantra local trade, bought here, serviced here. We're gonna do a quick walk around on it, show you some of the exterior features. I'll just jump that mirror down here. There you go. Show you some of the exterior features, and I'll do a walk around of the interior features. That way, if you're like me, you like to do a lot of shopping from the couch, you definitely get a bird's eye view of what this vehicle looks like before emailing us, texting us, calling us, setting an appointment to see it, or if we come to see you with it. This way you can definitely know the ins and outs of the vehicle. So again, I'll point out if I see anything. In this case, this vehicle is in very nice shape. No visible major scratches, dents, or dings. Again, like I said, local trade, GLS package, tons of standard features on the interior. We have a nice alloy wheels, it's an upgraded alloy wheel for the GLS. Meaty tires, turn signal indicator, power sunroof. This one comes with a bug deflector, genuine Hyundai bug deflector. Keep the stone chips off the front. Get the fog lights down there. I'll go back, I'll make a quick walk around, I'll show you the top, make sure you see. So you can see no big dents or anything like that. And that's what people want to see. You want to make sure what you're buying definitely looks nice. So again, I'm going to take these out really quick. You got a nice big trunk, 60/40 split folding rear seats. So again, if you have a little project at home or need a little bit extra cargo space, you can do that. We always keep the mats in the back just to keep them nice and clean. We'll work to the front here. So, what else do you get with the GLS? You get a nice cloth seat, little two-tone in the middle. Carpets are all in nice shape. So some of the additional features you're going to get, you get heated seats, 2-stage on both sides. Power windows is obviously standard. The heated seats definitely only came on the GLS or higher, so nice extra feature. If you've got kids that are out of booster seats, it is nice for them as well. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You got an adjustable driver's seat. I've already mentioned the sunroof. You got lane departure warning, traction control. You can adjust your interior illumination. We're going to jump in. Push button start, also standard on the GLS model. Leather wrapped steering wheel. Bluetooth hands-free calling, voice recognition. You get all you can adjust your interior features, which is a nice, make it more personalized. Cruise controls right here. Again, only 76,000 kilometers, so tons of factory warranty remaining. You got heated seats, 3-stage, both sides. You get heated steering wheel right here. Drive mode, you can drive it in economical mode or sport mode. You can play with that, see what's best, what you like best. Excuse me. Dual zone climate control, another standard feature on the GLS model. You've got a nice big touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto capabilities. What I like to mention about that is that most people definitely do have an Apple or Android phone. You plug it in, you have real-time navigation, traffic reports if you're going out of town. Definitely a nice feature. You don't have to jump up to, let's say, the top-of-line model anymore to have navigation built in when you need it, because we all know we don't always need navigation in the car. And you got auxiliaries, plug-ins right there, front and rear defrost, obviously. So tons of standard features. There's the sunroof, cloth's all in nice shape, guys. Dash is in nice shape. No cuts, no damage. Very nice vehicle, close to 25,000 kilometers of full factory warranty remaining. And again, it is a local trade, bought here, serviced here. Customers, I believe, bought a brand new Sonata with the Smart Pack is what we're calling it. So again, thank you again for joining me in our virtual showroom today. And as always, you can shop 24/7 to see this 2017 Elantra and other models in stock, new and pre-owned. Thank you.